So you mentioned Zembrin, and something that we're going to be referencing a lot throughout these conversations, you and I. So let's talk about it. What exactly is Zembrin?
Okay. So Zembrin is just a trademark name for a unique patented cultivar of Sceletium tortuosum. So Sceletium tortuosum is an indigenous plant that has been growing in South Africa for many years. Well, and I mean, history has it as it's a plant that has existed amongst the Khoisan people well over 300 years. A plant that was initially used by the Dutchmen when they came here and found very use for it because they realized that the indigenous people, when they chewed it, exhibited certain traits that they were quite interested in. They chewed it for purposes of when they wanted to embark on long journeys, without food, water. They had the ability to sort of focus, go for weeks on end and return without food and water. And they realized that it made their limbs strong, it made their mind sharp and gave them mental energy. And they just didn't feel the need to be tired, Yeah. Then they also realized that, and I think maybe we'll touch about it a little bit later when the discovery was made, is there's more than one cultivar of this plant, right? So there is another cultivar that allows the indigenous people, when they wanted to sing and dance around the fire and have happy moments, there was another cultivar of the same plant that they chewed that gave them a sense of happiness and euphoria, right?